Hey there! Are you tired of trading your time for money and wondering how to generate passive income? Imagine earning $500 a day without clocking into a 9-to-5 job. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 proven passive income ideas that can help you achieve just that. Let's dive in. First up is one of my all-time favorite passive income generators: rental properties. Now I know what you might be thinking, Graham, buying real estate is expensive. And managing tenants? No thanks, but hear me out. Owning rental properties, whether it's long-term rentals or short-term options like Airbnb, can be a fantastic way to build long-term wealth and generate serious passive income. Think of it like this: you're essentially buying an asset that someone else pays off for you. You purchase a property, find reliable tenants, and let the rent payments cover the mortgage, property taxes, and other expenses. The cherry on top? You get to pocket the profit every single month. And as if that wasn't enough, your property appreciates in value over time, increasing your net worth without you lifting a finger. Now I get it, being a landlord isn't for everyone. Dealing with tenants and property maintenance can seem daunting. But here's the thing, you don't have to do everything yourself. You can hire a property management company to handle all the nitty-gritty details for you, from finding and screening tenants to collecting rent and handling repairs. Of course, this will cut into your profits a bit, but it frees up your time and mental energy to focus on other things like scaling your rental portfolio even further. The key here is to start small and gradually build your way up. You don't need to buy a massive apartment complex right off the bat. Start with a smaller property like a condo or a duplex and learn the ropes. As your income and confidence grow, you can then expand your portfolio and watch your passive income soar. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful real estate empire. But with patience, persistence, and a solid strategy, rental properties can be your ticket to financial freedom and a life of true passive income. Next on our list is a strategy near and dear to my heart: dividend-paying stocks. Now I know some of you might be thinking, stocks? Isn't that risky? And while all investments come with some level of risk, dividend stocks offer a fantastic way to generate passive income while also participating in the potential growth of the stock market. Here's the beauty of it: when you invest in companies that pay dividends, you're essentially buying a piece of their profits. Every quarter, or sometimes even monthly, these companies distribute a portion of their earnings to their shareholders, that's you, in the form of cold, hard cash. Let's say you invest $100,000 in a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks with an average dividend yield of 5%. That means you'll be earning $5,000 per year or over $400 per month just by holding onto those stocks. And the best part? You don't have to do anything to earn that income. It's truly passive. But here's where things get really exciting. You can choose to reinvest those dividends back into the market, buying even more shares of those dividend-paying companies. This is the power of compounding in action. As you reinvest your dividends, you're essentially buying more and more little income-generating machines, creating a snowball effect that can supercharge your wealth over the long term. Of course, not all dividend stocks are created equal. It's important to do your research, look for companies with a solid track record of profitability and dividend payments, and diversify your portfolio across different sectors to manage risk. But with the right approach, dividend stocks can be a fantastic way to build a stream of passive income that grows year after year. Let's talk about digital products, a game changer in the world of passive income. Now more than ever, people are hungry for knowledge and willing to pay for valuable information. That's where you come in. If you have expertise in a particular area, whether it's photography, cooking, coding, or even dog grooming, you can package that knowledge into a digital product and sell it online. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and then sell them over and over again without any additional effort, no inventory to manage, no shipping costs to worry about, just pure scalable profit. Talk about a dream come true. So, what kind of digital products can you create? The sky's the limit. You could write an ebook sharing your insights on a specific topic, create an online course teaching others a valuable skill, or even design printable templates, worksheets, or artwork. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable make it incredibly easy to sell your digital creations to a global audience. These platforms handle everything from payment processing to content delivery, so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome products that people love. And the best part? You get to set your own prices. You're in control of your earning potential. So, what are you waiting for? Tap into your inner entrepreneur, unleash your creativity, and start turning your knowledge into a profitable online business with digital products. Coming in at number 4 is affiliate marketing, a fantastic way to monetize your passions and generate passive income by recommending products and services you genuinely love. Here's how it works. You partner with a company that offers an affiliate program, and they provide you with a unique affiliate link. You then promote that link on your website, blog, social media channels, or even through email marketing. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to focus on niches you're genuinely passionate about. If you're a tech enthusiast, for example, you could partner with electronics companies and recommend their latest gadgets. Or, if you're a fitness buff, you could promote workout programs, supplements, or athletic wear. The possibilities are endless. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that it requires very little upfront investment. You don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle customer service. Your main focus is to create engaging content that drives traffic to your affiliate links. It's all about building trust with your audience and providing them with valuable recommendations. When you genuinely believe in the products or services you're promoting, it shows, and people are more likely to make a purchase through your link. So start exploring affiliate programs in your niche, experiment with different promotional strategies, and watch as your passive income streams start to grow. Last but certainly not least, we have YouTube ad revenue, a powerful way to transform your passion for creating videos into a sustainable source of passive income. Now, I know building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency, but the rewards can be incredible. Once your channel gains traction and you start attracting a loyal audience, the ads displayed on your videos will start generating revenue for you even while you sleep. The beauty of YouTube is that your content has the potential to reach a global audience. Videos stay online indefinitely, meaning they can continue to generate income for years to come. That's the power of evergreen content. So, how can you maximize your YouTube ad revenue? First and foremost, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Whether it's educational tutorials, entertaining vlogs, or thought-provoking discussions, find your niche and consistently deliver content that keeps people coming back for more. Next, optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help people find your content. Engage with your viewers in the comments section, respond to questions, and foster a sense of community around your channel. And don't forget about promoting your channel on other social media platforms, collaborating with other creators, and exploring different monetization strategies, such as sponsorships and memberships. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. But with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to providing value to your viewers, you can turn your passion for video creation into a lucrative source of passive income. And there you have it, 5 incredible passive income ideas that can help you earn up to $500 a day, or even more, with the right strategy and effort. Remember, the key to success in any of these ventures is to take action and stay consistent. Don't be afraid to start small, experiment with different approaches, and learn from your experiences. Building multiple streams of passive income takes time and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. So which of these passive income ideas are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building your dream lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.